Hey folks, this is your boy RC Engineer, and like I said, I'm just here to show you a few things that I have. I mean, basically, I'm gonna show you the Bel Air that's pretty much been out of service. I'm saying due to the gearbox being shot, and I'm gonna also show you another piece of equipment I just pretty much acquired. You know what I'm saying, just to bring the Bel Air back in service. As you see right here, this is the Bel Air body. You know what I'm saying? The original Bel Air body I had since the year 2000 and so on. Refitted with lights and all that, with a battery pack on the top. You know what I'm saying? Did all the wiring and all. That's the tail lights. As I go over here and show you, this is the chassis that it sits on. Excuse me. And like I said, I did some refitting work. You know what I'm saying? Some authorizations to it. And like I said, shots they had broke off, you know what I'm saying, due to hard play, you know what I'm saying, years ago. And like I said, I put the screw in and all that to lower the shots so I'll be able to have some, like I said, some spring action. Okay, as I go ahead and hit a couple curves or whatever and jump down a couple curves. Put a front bull bar on it. I mean, that's what they might probably call it. Well, I mean, just to give it some taste or whatever. Make it look good. Not to mention, I had fitted a new servo in it. I think it's like a 996 servo, something like that. I got it off of eBay for only $10. I mean, it served pretty good. I'm saying it does a pretty good job. I had fitted it with it. Not to mention, I had an electronic speed controller. You know what I'm saying, also off of eBay. Cost me $15. You know what I'm saying? Served its purpose. I was able to fit it with a 3S LiPo on it to give it the power. I mean, it made it incredibly fast. But the gearbox, which is back here, to drive the back wheels, wasn't able to handle that type of power. Not to mention the car is like 15 years old. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I put new connectors and stuff on there for the battery, along with the connections to the motors or whatever. You know what I'm saying? My receiver is pretty much down inside and so on. I mean, like I said, chassis looks very great. You know what I'm saying? Just to be a toy and all that. The old battery pack used to fit on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I took that all out. Made all adjustments that I can make and all. You know what I'm saying? I'm sad to see that I broke this baby. You know what I'm saying? Because this baby is pretty nice. I'm not sure if I'm able to find spare parts to fix the gearbox. But yeah, this was the Asphalt Master chassis. You know what I'm saying? Quickly, I mean, sadly saying, most likely I'm probably gonna wind up disassembling it and scrapping the parts and putting it in the parts bin. You know what I'm saying? But this is exactly what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? The front sat up a bit, but that's exactly what it looked like when it was sitting before. But I'm here to show you something that I have acquired. This right here is what I received. Call it the Mad Hate Series or whatever. But this truck I had got off of eBay. It's made by WL Toys. I mean, if you just look it up, WL Toys, RC truck or whatever, I mean, you'll find it. You'll find that pretty much you'll see prices between 50 and 70 bucks. Trust me, to let you know, it is worth it. Right? If you can find it for 50 bucks or 60 bucks, it's worth it. That's a bargain deal. All right. The reason why is because number one, this truck is very incredibly fast. All right. I don't necessarily need the body. The point of me getting the truck is just get the chassis. As I bring it down, let's bring it down and show you guys. Well, yeah, the body's pretty thin or whatever. It's alright. I can hold the body. I can hold on to the body and everything. Just in case I want to go ahead and keep it original. But I mean, I got this from WL Toys. And it's a nice setup. Alright. As far as I know, as I read the directions and instructions and all, I'm saying everything is semi-waterproof. I mean, which is pretty nice. I mean, I can run it in the mud or whatever, and I'm saying won't have to worry about it too much. I'm saying I'm not going to sit there and submerge the truck in the water, but like I said, I can have some fun with it. I did take the battery out, hook out the battery in the transmitter, and the battery in the car. Actually took it for a spin drive, and this baby does wheelies. Not to mention the speed that it goes. I didn't take it in for a test run on the grass or anything yet. I just took a test run in the basement in the driveway first, and it goes pretty fast. So I mean, if you see this is a great deal to get started with. You know what I'm saying? Not to mention my body post. I have fitted with an old set of toys that I had since the early 90s, known as Constructs. You know what I'm saying? Practically they're out of business now. You're not going to find them anywhere. Maybe you find them on eBay, but this is a great tool, great set of toys. Now I'm saying anytime you want to do authorizations to certain things, alright? You know what I'm saying? Not to mention I can fit my body on there perfectly with no problem. Not to mention I also have my toy truck design, which needs more work to it. But I'm going to definitely take the time up to finish up the work. All these things on top is just to keep the pieces in place. You know what I'm saying? So I can go ahead and fit them on there. Not to mention I fitted with what's look like Shadow. I guess he's going to be my driver. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, as far as this body is concerned, I could actually place this body on here too and give it a distinctive look and so on. Can't beat that. It's a nice looking truck and everything and all. Well, I mean, that's the thing I want to do. So I mean, that's the purpose. That's the purpose of getting this, is basically go ahead and stick the Bel Air body on there. And go ahead and take it out for a drive. Bring it back. It looks pretty good. All I gotta do is do a little bit of work to it, and I'm saying I'm in business. You know what I'm saying? Well, I mean, as far as this chassis is concerned, I guess I'll call it the Asphalt Master 2. You know what I'm saying? Fitted with the Bel Air body. You know what I'm saying? As for this guy, I don't know. I mean, I might wind up going up there, breaking everything down and salvaging everything. But I mean, that's what it all is all about. You know what I'm saying? Being in the RC game is all about having fun with it, breaking it, putting it back together again, or coming up with any type of mods or modifications to make the car look as realistic as possible or off the chains. But I mean, I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. I got more videos to come and so on, alright? Thanks.